Hi, today's video will be the subject of Favicon. Favicon is these little signature branding bits here that are in your browser every time you open up a site. It can also be like, you can have them like in a bookmark. Okay, they can be like a bookmark if these are in my browser in my toolbar. Facebook has a signature for this site. Affiliates, Google, or bring down my right here. Each one of my sites has, like here, the video we're going to show you today is the end sugars, and the little favicon looks like this. And let me raise this up here. It's this right here. That's what the end result looks like. That's what we're going to talk about today, is using a Genesis theme for a main theme and using a baby theme with it. And we're going to use some coding, and I'm going to show you how to accomplish this without using a plugin. If that's something you're interested in doing or something you might think you have the ability to do or understanding to do, we're going to talk about that today in today's video. Hi, in today's video, the subject is going to be creating a favicon for your Genesis child theme. This will apply if you're looking for, if you own Genesis as a framework theme, and you have a Genesis child theme that you've purchased, then we're going to show you through this code right here how you can set up your own favicon using Canva. If you do get some value from this video once you're done watching it, please give us a thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're at it for some more WordPress quick tip type videos. Have to do with anything with WordPress and or making money online through affiliate marketing. That's what our channel is about. We're going to move into Canva first. I'm going to show you how to set up the ideal size for favicon, and then we'll show you what you're going to be doing with your Genesis theme, child theme, to get that to work for you. So as I said in the intro, we're going to set up the favicon that we're going to use in our Genesis child theme from Canva. We're going to go into Canva. I have the Canva Pro account. What you do is you create custom size. The 512 by 512 in pixels is listed as the ideal size for a favicon. I just created design, and what I got was here, and I came in here, and I came down through here and through elements. I set this up here. Now this is going to be my favicon, and what I want to do is share it because I want to download it. Now the thing that's important to realize is that if you're using this for online, you probably want to use a JPEG because it doesn't use as much storage space on your site as it would if you did a ping. Now in Canva, you automatically, the default is you'll get a ping, but you can click this download here, and you want right here JPEG. So you're going to JPEG for this right here. We're going to click download. Okay, so now it's going to download to my file. Okay, so now let's download it to my folder, and what I'm going to do next is I want to go to a site called tiny.png, because what I want to do is edit it and shrink it down. We'll do that next. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to tinyping.com. I'll leave a link down in the description for you. And what we want to do is shrink down what we just created, and I have to find it here. Okay, so it's a JPEG. It's no sugars, and this is the one here. So we're just going to open that up, and that's going to compress it. Now you can see it saved 32% on the download, and then what we're going to do next is we want to download this to our folder, and we'll find our folder. So once we find our folder, we created it. It's right here. All we do is put tiny in front of this so we know that's the one we want to use, and just separate this, save it, and it's going to, there, it's saved. Then we'll use it in our site next once we created it. That's how we're saving the space and making it better for our website, for our hosting company, and using up space for hosting the site. Okay, now the next part is a little bit scary, but shouldn't be that scary. Remember, we had the code here, and what we're going to do with the code is we're going to take the copy of this code and put it down here. And then this right here is the link for the image. And that has to be replaced. But you got to make sure you leave this end part here. Just replace the /2. So to get that is you want to click on this and you'll get your link here. I'm just going to select all and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to my notepad here. And then right here, I want to paste in that code. And you see this right here, you want to make sure you have your / here, and then your parentheses thing, and then the code here. Without it, that won't work. Now, the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to the public HTML, and you're going to find your site. And then I'm just going to back this up here. Back one more level. Okay. And it goes one more. Okay. Now this is in Sugars. And I'm going to want WP content. And then I want themes. I click on that. I want Beautiful Pro. That's the name of my child theme. And then what we're going to be using is functions.php. So we want to click on that, then edit it. When you open it up, just click on a little bit of it here, select all, and you're going to want to copy this. You want to copy this code into a new notepad or Word doc, something that's going to hold the whole code, because you want to back it up. This is what you want to replace it with in case something goes wrong. I'm just going to set this on my other screen. So I have that copied now. Now, I want to go down to the very end of the file here, right down here. And I want to just click to the next line. And then I'm going to bring up my notepad here, and I'm just going to copy this whole thing here, and then I'm going to paste it into this line here, and there it is. Now up here I just want to save changes. Okay, now previously we had, at the end here, we didn't have a favicon. Well, what I will do next is show you our new favicon. So I just left off with you that I'll show you what the favicon looks like. It's right up here. It's in my Firefox browser. It's End of Diabetes. You can see it listed here. End of Diabetes, Stop Diabetes, Mellitus Dead in Its Tracks. And here is the favicon. That's what we did with the coding. In the last couple of minutes, I'll show you how to set that up. That's today's video, setting up a favicon in WordPress using a Genesis theme, Genesis baby theme, what I had, and you can use it in any other theme. Find where the coding is to be put. Use the coding I'm providing down in the description. Add your favicon to your site without using a plugin. That's what today's video is about. If you did get some good value from this video today, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure it's tapped solidly so that it registers. It'll send you notifications every time I publish a new video to our channel, Digital High Road. Thanks for watching today. Take care. God bless.